Hey, Buggy. Hi. Hi. Do you love your daddy? Do you? Do you, Bugs? Boo. Boo. You're a good boy. Get the stuffed animal off your arm. Get it off. You can do it, Bug. Good boy. Oh, happy faces. Good boy, Jack. Oh, bless you, sweetie. Bless you. Do you like the little goat, Bug? Do ya? Meh. 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 Boo. Boo. I love you, sweetie. You're a good baby. Your mommy's good boy. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Is that your hand? Do you have your hand? Hey, sweetie. You're a good baby. You're a good boy. Jack. Jack. Wow. 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 Jack. Jack. What's over there? What are you so interested in? Roar. Roar. Oh, you good boy. I keep putting the stuffed animal on his hand and he moves it. Maybe that'll encourage him to use his hands more.
Mm-hmm.
You're a good boy, baby Jack. You are. Good boy. Little legs kicking. Tickle, tickle, Buggy. Are you a happy, Bug? Are you? Oh. Oh. You're so precious. Yeah. Yeah. Buggy, say hi. You're so focused, Bug. Are you making a poo? Huh? Smells like it. You're a good boy. You're Mommy's baby boy. Mommy loves you, Bug. Mommy loves the Bug. Hey, Buggy. Buggy. Hey there. You're so cute. Woo. Oh.